Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Katie. Today I have a Jellycat unboxing, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. Okay, I'm doing a little something different than I normally do on my channel, but I also collect Jellycats, so I thought I would do a little Jellycat unboxing. I have been requested to do a collection of my Bashful bunnies, which are in the background right there. You can kind of see. So I can definitely do that for you. I can do some Jellycat collections, and I'm happy to do more unboxings if that's something you guys are interested in. But yeah, let's just start. I got some of the new Jellycats that just released last week, so let's open these up. I haven't opened them, I've been waiting, so I'm super excited. So here's the first bag, and I think I know what one this is. I got the Jellycat pencil. Oh my goodness, it's really cute. So this is what this guy looks like, the Jellycat Amusable Pencil. It's very cute. It has like this little like ribbed thing for the eraser, and then it says Jellycat right there with the feet, and it has like different fabric here at the bottom. So you can just picture writing with your little Jellycat pencil. I thought this would be really cute to sit on my bookshelf, or I actually got a new job and I'm gonna be a preschool teacher, so I just thought this one was perfect and I had to add this to my collection. The second one, oh, I think I know what this one is too. This one is the new Jellycat Apple. Oh my goodness. He's so cute. I was a little bit on the fence about this one, but I got the peach recently and I thought the apple would look great with the peach. And then again, just like with the school theme. So yeah, these are super cute, especially if you have any teachers in your life. They make really cute classroom decor. Oh my goodness. I think I like the apple even more than the pencil. And originally I thought I would like the pencil more, but I really do like the apple. It's really soft. So there's the apple. Then I have one more in here. Here's the bag. Oh my. I got the new Jellycat Smudge Panda. Oh my goodness. It's so soft. Just like the smudges are. Always so soft. His eyes are covered up. I have to find his eyeballs and his mass of fur. But oh my goodness, I think he's gonna be a favorite. I love the smudge line, so I'm really glad that they added a new animal to the smudge line. Look at his face. He's so cute. Okay, lastly, I wanted to show you a couple of my newest ones that I also got. I already unboxed them, but I just wanted to give you guys a look. The first one is the sun bag charm. Again, I'm obsessed with the sun. So yeah, I can't wait to clip this one on my bag. And then I also have the original sun one. I really wanted to get the moon, the Amusable Moon with this order, but it was sold out by the time I placed it, so that was a bummer. I missed it again, but it was this one. And then I also got the bag, which I think is really cute in the bag. It has the side strap like this. And this bag is like the biggest one that I have. I have the cloud one and I have the coffee one, but this one can definitely fit the most stuff. So it's the most like actually usable of the bags, at least that I have. So here's this guy. So yeah, that is all I have for you guys. Just a little Jellycat unboxing. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.